welcome explorers to our second cooking video here on Explorers with Keith and Dre.
Welcome at magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng sweet and sour fish.
Tara, samahan nyo kami. Alright, so we're gonna heat some cooking oil. Okay guys, for today's dish, we're gonna need, okay Dre?
We have alubalay fish. At ito po yung ibang mga ingredients: cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, tapos asin. Maglagay din tayo ng pineapple tidbits, tomato paste, sugar, carrots, luya, at garlic, onion, spring onions, at bell pepper, at ito yung saging.
Okay, so while we're waiting for the oil to get to high temperature,
We're gonna salt the fish before we fry. Okay. Add it back. Okay.
alright guys, so mainit na yung mantika natin. Lagay na natin yung isda. So, we're gonna pour some hot oil sa cup ng fish natin para sabay-sabay sila maluto from the other side. Make sure lang na malalagyan natin ng oil yung lahat ng parts ng fish at yun dito sa may ulo para hindi dumikit sa pan natin. Alright, so it's time to flip the fish. Okay, hold on. You might break the tail. Alright, okay. Alright. Alright guys, so I have removed the fish from the oil, and this time Andre is gonna make the sauce for our sweet and sour fish. Okay, so there you go, we're gonna make the sweet and sour sauce.
So, naluto na po yung fish natin kanina. Ito naman po, gagawa tayo ng sauce. Di ba tayo pangga? Di ba tayo? Kayuan. Kaguri. So, naluto na po yung piniritong isda. So, ngayon po, gagawa tayo ng sauce ng sweet and sour. Ito po, yung brown sugar. Kakaramelize po natin to. So guys, maglalagay po tayo ng butter para madaling matunaw yung suka. Slow heat lang po ito guys para hindi yung asukal natin maitim.
Alright, so we mashed some bananas here. This will give our sweet chili sauce, that fruity taste, and a little bit of sweetness from the banana. While Andre over there is caramelizing his sugars. Okay, so a little bit more heat and our sugar will be completely dissolved or melted. Okay, so our sugar is all melted. Time to add the mashed bananas as instructed by Andre. And also the tomato paste. The whole pack of tomato paste. Okay, it looks like a mess, but we'll see what's the outcome of this. Okay?
Okay guys, mag-isa na po tayo ng ating para sa ating shooting star fish. Wow. So, lagay natin yung garlic. Sunod po natin yung luya. Maglagay tayo ng carrot.
Alright, so hintayin lang natin na lumambot yung carrots, saka idagdag natin yung bell pepper. Okay, tapos yung mag-caramelize rin yung onions natin. Kunting tinit pa. Mix lang natin ng mabuti. Yung apoy. Pag na-amoy na yung ginger, malalaman mo na luto na yan. Tapos magre-reddish yung color nito. Init na, mix. Saka yung bell pepper dagdag natin. Alright, so lumambot na yung carrots natin. Dagdag natin yung bell peppers. Palambutin lang natin. Saka idagdag natin yung pineapple tidbits. Alright, so dagdag natin yung syrup ng pineapple tidbits para for added sweetness sa ating sauce. Then yung add natin yung sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Okay. We'll be adding water. So just let it simmer, let it boil before natin idagdag yung pineapples. Needs more salt.
Lagyan po natin ng asin.
Okay, it's enough. Mix it well. And we also added additional water since our soup is too thick.
Naglagay po tayo ng garlic powder.
Okay.
Cayenne pepper. Ito po yung Spanish paprika.
Alright, just let it simmer for a while.
So, yun na po. Malapit nang maluto. Maglagay na lang tayo ng pineapple. Hamuin natin to. At pagkatapos, pwede na natin itong patayin yung kalayo at saka lagay na natin ito sa ating isda. Ito na po yung ating sweet and sour fish. So, ito na po yung finished product natin na sweet and sour fish. Kainan na. So, thank you guys. See you for the next vlog.
Alright, explorers, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. So until then, see you on the next video. Bye.